Alright, you guys, so I'm in a trade right now. Market opened, and London high had not been swept, but Asia high had been swept. So we were bearish because London low and Asia low have not been swept. So we have a high swept, and we have two lows to the bottom that haven't been swept, so we're bearish. So on market open, we swept out London high. We broke structure to the downside off of this black candle right here, which also made a fair value gap. And then we made a fair value gap with the next candle after it. Then we took a little bit of chop, then we retraced into the fair value gap and then closed downwards. And that happened on this candle, which is where I entered. 2 contracts on ES, stop loss above the liquidity sweep. And normally I would just target London low right here, but ES is the more bearish index, which is why I took the trade on ES and not NASDAQ. You can see if I took the trade on NASDAQ, I would have gotten this much closer to the stop loss. The stop loss would be right here on NASDAQ, and I would have gotten here, like really close. ES, this is where my lowest point of drawdown was. This is where my stop loss was. And so yeah, we're targeting here for $875 because that's what we need to pass the funded account. Normally I would just target the London low, but I'm just putting it a little bit past so I can get that funded account passed, hopefully. So yeah, I'll pause the recording when this hits or gets stopped out or whatever, because my computer lags a lot whenever I record. So yeah, see y'all then. All right, you guys should look at this. Look at that balance on the funded account. We should have passed the funded account today. I should get the notification later. I had my take profit set a little bit below the London low, so like right about here. I should have set it at Asia low, to be honest. Like that would have been a safe trade, but I just wanted to go for just enough to make me pass the funded account, because I wanted to normally, like if this was yesterday and I hadn't passed, or I didn't need one more trade to pass my funded account, I would have put my take profit, probably full take profit here and then partial take profit at London low. But yeah, we passed the funded account. Hopefully they don't email me today saying you need $200 more or one more trade for like consistency roll. I don't think they're going to do that. But yeah, actually I'm gonna go check right now to see how much more money I actually need to pass this account. But yeah, we just did pass the account. By the way, y'all, I dropped my class that happened on 8 a.m. Monday, or that happened on 8 a.m. Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, so that I no longer, or Monday, Tuesday, Thursday, so that I no longer have to wake up at 8 a.m. to not trade or whatever. Or what did I don't know, I dropped a class that happened on 8 a.m. Tuesday, Thursday, 2 days of the week. So I no longer have to wake up at 8 a.m. and not be able to trade. I can trade every day of the week now, pretty much. So that's great news. I'll pause the recording and I'll see how much money I needed to pass this funded account. But yeah, see y'all then. Alright guys, so this is actually kind of a bummer, but it says I need $708 more to beat the consistency trend. So that's kind of stupid, but hey, that's how it goes. We have to get one more trading day. Feels like TOPSTEP is just trying to like make sure I don't freaking pass the account as soon as possible. So yeah, who knows, maybe if I targeted Asia low I would have made that money, or if I did the trade on NASDAQ targeting London low I would have made the money probably with 2 contracts, but hey, whatever, hindsight's hindsight. So yeah, see you on the next one. Profitable trading day. Peace.